China HSD DIY Material Mall, mainly engaging in ribbon, accessories, leather, planer resin and DIY material. Our company has successfully established 10 online stores so far, as well as strong warehouse reserves. All the products have storage and MOC is low. We also can customized according to their diverse needs. Our products have passed RoHS, CHIC, SGS, OCO Tech Standard 100, etc. certifications. We are a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of accessories, ribbon, DIY material, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. At last, we are looking forward to establish cooperative relationships with you.